Here we are at 3373 Desert Wind. Nice quiet street, corner lot, beautiful landscaping. The snow kind of covers it up right now, but in the spring and summer it's really amazing. So we come in the front door. We have large high ceilings, a office slash bedroom right when you come in that has a bathroom that adjoins to a separate room, shower tub, come into another room with a closet, high ceilings, and then we walk back out here. There's a nice closet, front door, and then you're welcomed by these nice beams, high ceilings, great living room. There's our kitchen. We've got a quarter bath. There's the garage, laundry room, mud room, out to the garage, another closet, and here we have a pantry. Nice size kitchen. I love how high the ceilings are, and a little peek window to the living room. Here we have the dining area that opens up into the living room. A very nice patio with stamped concrete. And you've got a shed back there, custom pergola. Here on the main level, you have the main bedroom with an ensuite. We have a very nice big shower, full tub, double vanity, walk-in closet, very spacious. Then so that's on the main level. So you have a office or bedroom with another bedroom and the primary bedroom. So you could have a potential for 3 bedrooms upstairs or 2 bedrooms and an office. And then as we go downstairs, it's a big open floor plan. With a wet bar. And lots of room. Down here you have 2 additional bedrooms and a bathroom. Here's bedroom number 1. Good sized closet. Bathroom, shower. And then you walk through here, there's the hallway, and then you come over here to the other bedroom. So they're separate, and just that one bedroom is connected, but this one has a very nice large closet as well. And there's additional closet space out here. And in here. So, again, bathroom to that. And then coming out here, the stairs, there's a mechanical room and another storage unit, closet. So thanks again for looking at 7737 Desert Wind. Let me know if you have any questions.